Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this beautiful hijab that has ruffle details on the body. So without further ado, let's get started. For this particular tutorial, you'll be needing one trouser length of Lycra fabric or any stretchy fabric of your choice. The first thing you'll be doing is you're going to fold your fabric into two along the 60 inches side. You're going to fold it into two. So from your folded edge, you will come down by 12 inches, which is meant for your face circumference. On the lower part of your fabric, you are going to go in by 8 to 10 inches depending on how smart you want it to be. So I used 8 inches for this particular one. To mark your front hijab measurement, you are going to place the 12 inches mark of your tape rule on that 12 inches mark that you made on the fabric. Then you will measure your front measurement along a slanted line down to that 8-inch mark, which is 34 inches. I'm using 34 inches as my front hijab measurement. Then you will cut it out. After cutting it out, you notch the midpoint of your face circumference. So to get the side measurement of your hijab, you are going to fold it into two diagonally this way. Then you measure 22 inches from this part downwards for your side measurement, and you will be using your scissors to notch that part. After notching your side measurement, open up your fabric. Then on the folded edge, you are going to measure your back measurement, which is also 34 inches. After taking your back measurement, you are going to cut from your front measurement down to your side measurement and down to your back measurement. Now you notice while cutting it, this particular end, you make sure it is around 5 to 5.5 inches wide because you need to cut it into two. The way you shape your back has to be wider than the front if you want to get the exact shape that I have in that video. So just notice the way I cut it out, I shaped it, and you follow the same thing. Now to get where the ruffles is going to be on the back part of your hijab, you are going to measure 17 inches downward from this space. On the folded edge, you measure 17 inches downwards and you mark it. Then you go down to your front measurement. From the curved end, you come up by 3 inches round till you get to your side measurement. You come up by 3 inches and you'll be linking it down to that 17 inches mark that you made. So you cut it out this way. You notice how I cut it out in the video. After cutting it out, make sure you notch the midpoint of both panels of your back panel. Notch the midpoint so you know how to fix it back, and that is that for the main body. Now for your hijab cap, I'm going to cut two hijab caps together because I want it to be a bit padded. So I'm going to fold my fabric into 4, then I'm going to fold it into 2 again. For the hijab cap height, I'll be using 4 inches, and for the width, I'm going to use 6 inches, and I'm going to cut it out this way. After cutting it out, don't forget to notch the midpoint. Now for the ruffles, you are going to cut out extra fabric that is 1.5 inches wide, and it will be very long for you to be able to make gathers that you will be inserting into where you split your hijab into two. So after cutting it out, it's time to join everything together. The first thing you'll be working on is your ruffles. You are going to join all the pieces together, then you gather one end of the 1.5 inch wide fabric that you cut out. Once you are done with that, you are going to lay your main hijab body, the upper part, you are going to lay it down with the right side facing up. Then you'll be placing the part B of your hijab, which is the lower part. You place it on it with the notch points being on each other, and the right sides will be facing each other. Then you align it to one side where you start sewing it from. Now to start sewing it from one side of the front part of your hijab, you notice that the two parts of your front part is facing each other with the right side. So to get where how you are going to fix your ruffles in between the two parts, you are going to open it up so that way both parts of the front part of your hijab will be facing up with the right side. So that gathered part of your 1.5 inches wide fabric is where you'll be sewing in between the two parts of your front part of your hijab. So to get how how to fix it. You are going to place the ruffles the way it is going to be. You know the ruffles is going to be facing downward, which means you place it on this part of your front part of your hijab, which has the curve end. That part that has the curve end, not the part that has the straight part that you are going to join, which will be the midpoint of your front part of your hijab. No, it is going to be on the part that has the curved end. So you are going to place it on it with the wrong side facing the right side of that part. So that is how it's going to be after sewing it. Now to sew it, you're now going to flip it on the other part like this. That way the right side of that ruffles is going to be facing the right side of this part of the hijab. Then you are going to place that other part on it. So the gathered part is going to be in between the two this way. So after getting it correctly, you are going to start sewing from that part down to the midpoint of the back panel, which is where you notched it, and then you sew it down to the other side of the front part of your hijab. So after joining the three parts together, the next thing is to top stitch. So you are going to weave the end where you just finished sewing now. After weaving it, then you are going to flip that gathered part on that part that has the curved end. You are going to flip it that way so it's facing downwards, the exact way that it is going to be on your hijab, and you are going to top stitch on it as shown in the video. Now, to sew your hijab cap to your main hijab body, you are going to place your main hijab body with the right side facing up. For the hijab cap, you are going to insert the second hijab cap into the first one. You open the first one with the wrong side facing up, fold your second hijab cap, place it inside, then close the first one back. So the right part of your hijab cap is outside that way. Make sure that all the notch points are aligned. Then you are going to place the notch point of your hijab cap on the notch point that you made on the face circumference of your hijab. You align it to one side this way and you are going to sew it down. After joining your hijab cap to your main hijab body, you are going to fold it into two this way. Then you measure half of your face circumference downwards. Mine is 10 inches, and then from that part, I'm going to sew the front part of my hijab downwards this way. So the last thing you will do is you are going to weave or hem the ends of your hijab round, and that is that on how to make this beautiful hijab that has gathered details on it. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section or reach out to me on WhatsApp. Have a great day, ma. Salam.